What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Naked Beauty box. Y'all, this is becoming one of my favorite skincare boxes, and if you want to see why, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, my loves? Welcome. I am so happy to be back. I have missed you guys. I did not have a video Monday. Y'all, work has been like so crazy. Oh my goodness. I am filming this right now after I get off from work and I am like exhausted. So this is going to be a very quick unboxing. Today we have the Naked Beauty box, which is becoming one of my favorite skincare boxes. I have loved most of their products that I received each month, and y'all, I have been putting them to the test. As you guys can see, my face is not all broken out like it usually is, and it's thanks to some of the products I have received in this skincare box. I will be sharing some of my skincare tips with you guys later on in the upcoming months. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right on into the Naked Beauty box, because I'm tired, boo. So as I said before, this is a skincare box. You receive 5 full-size skincare products that are cruelty-free, vegan, and non-toxic. This box right here is $35.99 per month plus free shipping, and we all love free shipping. It's supposed to have a value of $85 to $150. And if you use the code TONYA20, you will receive 20% off of your box. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Oh my God, I forgot my shout outs. I want to give a huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl early. I greatly appreciate you all. I do not have a drink today, guys. Yeah, I'm kind of on a fast and I gave up drinking for 21 days. Ooh, girl, pray for me. Okay, y'all, so let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Y'all could take a dance break and a drink break. All right, guys, so this is the box right here. I love the box. It's just so inviting, so clean and fresh. Love it. Oh, wait, I got to cut it open. This is what we're looking like on the inside right there. Let's set her down. We did get a product that came outside of the packaging, so I will show you guys that in a few minutes. And we do get a card. All of the products are inside of here with the retail value. So we're going to put that on the screen. The first thing I'm pulling out is wrapped up in this beautiful green teal colored paper. And this is from Gypsy Eyes. Ooh, okay. This is a repairing eye serum right here, my loves. Have you guys heard of Gypsy Eyes before? I think that we got this in a box maybe a couple months ago, if I'm not mistaken. So it says, gently roll beneath the eye on orbital bone. Press softly with your ring finger and use it daily. It's like getting 8 hours of sleep in a bottle. Because y'all know I don't sleep. This ultra concentrated yet lightweight eye serum enriches skin and targets the look of lines, dark circles, and puffiness. So it's best for all skin types. And this, my loves, retails for $25. And you can see they have some stuff floating around in there. It looks like maybe a rosebud. Let's see what it has on here. A rose hip seed oil, a rose flower, and carrot seed oil. I'm having a problem talking tonight. Has this little roller ball right there. It smells really good. So that's what it looks like. Okay. I always love anything to do with the eyes because I like my eyes to look young. So I'm happy about this. Up next, my loves, we have this product here from Grace Beauty. It's an anti-aging body oil. Okay. Very intrigued by this. You get 4 fluid ounces of product in here, and this helps reduce the appearance of sunspots, acne, wrinkles, and it leaves your skin soft and smooth, very hydrating, and it doesn't clog your pores. You want to avoid the sun after applying this oil, and you use it on the face to spot treat areas rather than applying it all over your face. All right, my loves, that's what the packaging is looking like. Very pretty, very citrusy. This retails for $37. and it smells like my essential oils. It smells like, I want to say eucalyptus, but I don't think that's in here. No, avocado oil and rose hip seed oil. So I'm very excited about using anything anti-aging because y'all know we trying to be forever young over here, huh? Forever young. Sorry. Okay, so next product is from SOOO, and this is a biocellulose firming face mask. And y'all know that I do love face masks now. I haven't been a fan in the past, but I'm telling you, I kind of love face masks now. So it says, become a firm believer, tighten and firm your skin with this Korean sheet mask designed to lock in place at the sides, physically lifting skin and giving noticeably improvements after 20 minutes. Okay. It also enhances your skin tone and texture and reduces the crow's feet and deeper laugh lines. Okay. Now, we may be doing like an all the way get ready with me where I do my skincare first, then I do my makeup. So we probably going to be using this and putting this to the test. I'm very excited about this. This retails for $22. Oh, girl, for one? Oh, okay. This best work some kind of miracles, huh? Let's move right on along. And the next product is from the Speak Collective. And this is a rose quartz facial roller right here. And let's see what this little baby says. This is a gentle lymphatic massage that will help reduce puffiness and improve blood circulation to stimulate collagen production. Because y'all know we need that collagen so that our skin could be nice and bouncy and youthful. Okay, so it comes with this little cover over it. And this is how the product looks in the box. It gives us little instructions here on how to use it. And you want to use it on your forehead, under your eyes, your cheek and jawbones. You want to wash your head with gentle soap after using, the head of the roller. I was like, with your hair? I'm so, Store the roller once completely dry. Do not expose it to extreme temperatures and stop using if it causes irritation. And you also want to get that neck boo because y'all know we don't like no old looking neck. This is beautiful. Like it feels so sturdy and like it's going to last a long time. I'm very happy to get this. I will be putting this in my fridge and this retails for $37. And I do love that they have this long side here and the short side to get right underneath those eyes. Love it. I'm excited about this. Okay, y'all. So y'all know I'm never excited about skincare, but this little box right here, I'm kind of digging it. And our last product comes from Starry Eyes, and I have a lash stuck to it. Okay, cool. This was the product that was outside of the box, and this is the self-warming eye mask. Oh, wow. It warms up in 30 seconds, and you get 5 masks in here. Oh my goodness, I love a good eye mask. And I think we received these in a BoxyCharm maybe a while back. I'm not sure. I think it was a BoxyCharm, but let's open this baby up. I do love that we do get a box full. That makes me feel really good because you know you need to use skincare a few times to see any type of results. So giving one sometimes is just not enough. I am happy that we do get 5 patches. 5 pairs of patches, and it says you want to tear along the line, remove the eye mask from the pouch. It will begin to warm up once you open it. You want to place the white colored side of the eye mask on the eyes with the edges down. You want to relax. How long you leave this on for? 10 minutes. And then you dispose and pat the remainder into your face. So we get 5 pairs of these, and this retails for $20, my loves. Oh, you leave it on for 20 minutes. All right, my love. So that was our final product in this month's Naked Beauty Box. Let's quickly recap. We're going to do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received these 5 pairs of eye masks right here from Grace Beauty, this anti-aging body oil. From Gypsy Eyes, this eye serum. From the Speak Collective, this beautiful rose quartz facial roller. And from SOOO, this sheet mask right here. So these 5 products right here, my loves. Final thoughts on this month's January's the Naked Beauty box. I really enjoyed this box. They gave us a lot of good products this month that I'm very excited to use, especially this anti-aging oil, this Quartz facial roller, the eye mask, the face mask that's supposed to give me results with just one application. Girl, I'm definitely gonna be trying that out. And I also love the eye warming mask. I'm excited about this. I don't think I've received the self-warming eye mask before. I think we just got the regular one, so I'm very excited to see how this will work on my skin. Hopefully it doesn't give me a reaction in my eyes, like puff up. But I did enjoy this month's box. Oh, yes, I really did. Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this box. I really enjoyed this month's box, and I am looking so forward to seeing what the rest of the year have in store for the Naked Beauty box. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn landfill, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna give the Naked Beauty box for the month of January a whopping 4. I'm excited about this box and I cannot wait to use these products, my loves. They have really been giving me some really good skincare products, so kudos to them. Don't forget, guys, if you like this box, I will leave the link down below. Use the code TONYA20 to get you 20% off of your box. If you like this video, please give this a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel with all of your family and friends so that we can grow, boo. And also follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys dearly. Bye, loves.